Do you shoot long range or want to shoot long range? Well, then you need to check out the Shot Collar system from Shot Insight. Now, not only is this a hit indicator, but it's also a data collection system that can give you feedback and input and help assist in your training and your holdovers. The first part of the system is the targeting system. So now this mounts directly to the steel target you're shooting at. It is connected by satellites, so it will give an exact GPS location and elevation of where your target is located. Now that targeting system communicates with the hub. So now this stays near the shooter or ideally attached to the rifle. So now the hub location is also connected to satellites and they will communicate back and forth with the targeting system. This means that it knows the location of the hub and it knows the location of the targets, so it knows the distance that you are going to be firing and also the incline or decline based on the change in elevation between the shooter and the target. So now when paired to the app, you can put in your ballistic profile for the rifle that you have selected and it will give you your holdovers for your target at that distance. And with that connection and feedback, it will act as a hit indicator, showing you on the app whether you've hit the target or not, and also giving you an audible call if you elect to tell you that you have impacted your target.
Impact at 994 yards.
So now, as I mentioned, though, this is a lot more than just a target indicator. Because this hub can be mounted to your rifle, it can collect a whole host of data and analytics. Now, the hub not only knows the shooter's location and elevation, but it also can detect when the rifle is fired. So with this, it can measure the difference in flight time versus when the shot goes off to when the target is impacted and give you a true time of flight of your projectile. So now, if you know the time of flight, you know the distance to the target, and you know the environmental information for where you're shooting, then you can actually go back in and make some calculations and either find the true ballistic coefficient or the muzzle velocity of your rifle. Because using all those variables, it can go back and actually back calculate those values. So there's going to be some features coming to the app that are going to use this as a assistance and a training tool and help you also get better ballistics data. Now, a lot of that's still in the works, but I've kind of seen the prototypes and the concept of it, and I promise you guys are going to want to check this out. And on top of that, the hub can connect to multiple targets. So if you are having multiple target engagements, you can set a targeting system up at different targets and it will monitor your hits and time of flight at each of those locations. So there you have it, the Shot Collar system from Shot Insights. Not only is this going to be a fantastic hit indicator and analytical tool, it pairs with the free app that can act as a standalone ballistics calculator. Pairing it with the Shot Collar system just going to give you that much more data and make it that much more of an effective training tool.